Hi, I'm Michelle.
I'm Vana.
And today we're going to talk to you about why we have ferments in our skincare. We get asked this question a lot, so we're going to break it down for you.
First off, ferments are known to contain antioxidants to help calm, hydrate, and repair the skin. When put into skincare products, it actually helps the formula absorb into the skin a little better. This is due to the fermentation process, which breaks down ingredients into smaller particles for easier absorption.
So here's why you should be adding ferments to your routine. Number one, it protects the skin barrier with more potent formulations. The fermentation process can make it easier for your skin to absorb probiotics and other ingredients that are usually too large for your skin's microbiome to naturally take in. With consistent use, this balances our bacteria in our skin microbiome and strengthens our skin barrier in the long run.
Number two, it balances the skin to reduce irritation and redness. Our skin deals with a lot on the day-to-day basis, such as sun exposure, pollution, and just the scratching and touching with unclean hands, which can cause an unbalanced microbiome that can lead to irritation and redness.
Number three, ferments hydrate the skin to keep it even, smooth, and firm. When your skin is balanced, it has a better chance to absorb the nutrients from your skincare. This can lead to a hydrating effect that restores firmness in your skin. And these are some of the top reasons why we created the Urban Calm collection. It's amazing for your skin, and it's a set routine, simple and easy.
Check out our Urban Calm collection in the description box and make sure to subscribe to learn more.